Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up a watch list and Rocket Money. So a watch list in this app lets you monitor specific categories, merchants or tags that matter most to you without creating a full budget. So this feature is available to the Rocket Money premium members. So actually guys, to do that you will need to open the Rocket Money app, and of course you have the premium version of it, and then just go to your dashboard, right, and scroll down to the watch list section. So you will find the watch list section under the dashboard, and then just tap on learn more and choose the items you want to track, like the categories such as dining and drinks or shopping, and the merchants such as your favorite coffee shop or retailer, and the tags you have created for specific projects or events. Then just select the suggested items based on your recent spending, or use the search bar to find something specific. Then just confirm your selection. Your watch list will appear on your dashboard and updates automatically as new transactions are recorded. Also guys, you will need to update your watch list at any time, so just tap in the watch list section and add new items by tapping the three dots menu and selecting add. Right, also you can remove the items using the three dots also, and then go next to a watch item. Also guys, you can press and hold an item, then drag it to reorder your watch list. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.